Today's main battle tanks are considered a key component of modern armies. They use the great armor, weapons, and defenses and are immensely strong and powerful. In expeditionary duties and circumstances where all significant threats have been neutralized, an excessive weight in armor and weapons would merely restrict mobility. The modern light tank is a supplement to the main battle tank. They have additionally been utilized for infantry support and observation. In today's video, we will talk about the newest main battle tanks in the world. Let's get started. Karar Striker Tank. On March 3, 2017, a senior Iranian officer announced that the Islamic Republic would soon reveal a battle tank made domestically. Brigadier General Hossein Dekhan, the defense minister, will attend the unveiling of the Karar Striker Tank in the coming days, according to Brigadier General Ahmad Reza Fordastan, the commander of the Iranian Army's ground forces. He added that the combat tank would shortly join the ground forces of the Iranian Army. According to Fordastan, the nation also intends to buy T-90 tanks from Russia. Iran has made significant advancements in defense and has recently held multiple military exercises. Tehran began mass manufacturing the Karar main battle tank in March 2017 at a ceremony attended by the Iranian defense minister. The tank looked to have a design similar to Russia's T-90MS. The minister claimed that the tank could go toe-to-toe with the most sophisticated tanks in the world in terms of strength, accuracy, mobility, upkeep, and battlefield toughness. According to Dekhan, the Karar contains cutting-edge technology like a ballistic computer, a laser rangefinder, and an electro-optical firing control system. Guided missiles can also be fired from it. On March 2, 2017, the newest Iranian tank's official premiere was the only event that happened. The machine's existence was first made public in August of last year. The video for Defense Industry Day featured a previously unidentified combat vehicle. The name of the development and numerous new pictures soon went public. The new project was named Karar under the information obtained. Famous images showed professionals and the general public practicing identifying technology's actual properties and projecting its future. T-90's main battle tank, MBT Russia. Russian tanks from the T-series have been upgraded with the T-90's main battle tank, or MBT, which provides more firepower, mobility, and protection. It is made in Nizhny Tagil, Russia, by Uralvagonzavod, an original equipment manufacturer. In 1992, the Russian army began using it. The Indian Army ordered 310 T-90S tanks in February 2001. 124 were finished in Russia, and the remaining tanks were delivered in a knocked-out shape for final assembly in India. In November 2019, the Indian Ministry of Defense awarded the Ordnance Facility Board, or OFB, a $2.8 billion contract to produce 464 more T-90S tanks under license for the Indian Army at its Heavy Vehicle Factory, or VHF, Avadi. It is equipped with the Russian company Elektronentorg's Stora-1 defensive assistance package, an infrared jammer, a laser warning system with 4 laser warning receivers, a grenade discharging system that creates an aerosol screen, and a computerized control system are all included in the system. Light tank. A light tank is a type created for quick maneuvers inside and outside of battle, outmaneuvering more giant tanks. Its smaller size, thinner armor, and weaker main gun are designed for superior tactical mobility, logistics, and transport simplicity. Expeditionary forces mostly use them for screening, armored reconnaissance, skirmishing, artillery observation, and supporting landing operations in a fire support role when larger, heavier tanks are not available or have trouble functioning safely or effectively. The quick light tank was a vital component of the pre-World War II Army buildup. It was anticipated that these tanks would take advantage of breaks in the enemy lines caused by slower, heavier tanks to sabotage communications and supply routes. Several other tiny tank designs and tankettes, including the combat automobile, were created during this time. Early light tank designs employed tracks to improve cross-country mobility, but were often better equipped and protected than armored cars. The light tank has been used in various roles, including supporting light airborne or amphibious forces and surveillance. It's one of the few tank variants to have survived the development of the main battle tank, in which technological advancements have rendered all previous weight variants obsolete. Due to its instant availability and more cost-effective option for creating and fielding a pure light tank, modified IFVs fill these duties in several militaries. Leopard 2A7V tank. The most recent Leopard 2A7 model, also known as the Leopard 2A7V, was created by Krauss Maffei Wegmann, or KMW, and unveiled at Eurosatory 2016. If chosen, the Leopard 2A7V should be announced between 2017 and 2018 and is KMW's reaction to the upgrade programs planned by the German Armed Forces for the Leopard 2A6 tank, particularly regarding upcoming procurement contracts. The Leopard 2A7 tank has been in service with the German Army since December 2014. The key upgrades are a new armored modular system for the hull's top front glacis plate and a more potent auxiliary power unit than the one currently found on the A7 model. So before continuing the video, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Turn on the bell icon to receive notifications about upcoming videos. VT-4. A Chinese main battle tank designed specifically for export is the VT-4. A different name for it is the MBT-3000. Rinko is in charge of marketing it. This vehicle might be considered a more straightforward export variation of the Type 99G, which the Chinese Army employs. The VT-1A in turn is a reduced export version of Type 99, and the VT-4 is a development of that. Therefore, the VT-4 incorporates tested technology and is reasonably priced. This tank is being suggested for emerging nations looking to upgrade their stock. The VT-4 main battle tank's hull resembles the Soviet T-72s in many ways. The Soviet T-72, which has been used for more than 30 years, is where this Chinese tank gets its inspiration. China bought this tank from Romania in the 1980s and replicated it. Since then, Chinese engineers have continuously enhanced and tweaked the technologies in this tank. The VT-4's design also has some Western influences. Leclerc. As a replacement for the AMX-30 series of tanks, GIAT Industries created the Leclerc Main Battle Tank, or MBT. The prototypes were constructed in 1989 after their development started in 1978. The Leclerc began to be produced in 1991. The Leclerc is one of the best main battle tanks in the world and was named in honor of General Philippe Jacques Leclerc, leader of the French Armored Division during World War II. For the French Army, 406 of these tanks were constructed. According to certain accounts, the French Army only has 340 Leclercs left in service. It is shielded by a cutting-edge modular armor system that may be modified depending on the threat. Kevlar, ceramics, and steel are all used in its armor. Replaceable modules are available for damaged ones. Additionally, they're easily upgradable with more sophisticated armor modules. The turret and hull roof can absorb top attack munitions. The tank's large side skirts cover the chassis. To enhance survival, the primary electrical systems were duplicated. Coaxial 12.7mm machine guns and remotely operated 7.62mm machine guns make up the secondary armament. The vehicle has a battlefield management system installed. The location, amount of ammo, and fuel left on the tank are all automatically sent to the command station. 3 people make up the vehicle's crew: the commander, the gunner, and the driver. 3 people can work on an autoloader crew. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. See you next time. Adios.